Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today, this is so heavy. I have a brand new box. I'm just going to show you the side because when I lift it up the other way, they've put my address right on the front. What you can't see is that it's the Relax and Radiate crate, and it is an AARP box technically. Let's get into it and I'll tell you all about it. Box is part of the girlfriend from AARP. Somebody reached out not too long ago and asked me if I had ever heard of this box, and I hadn't. So I went out. Oh, I just realized it is absolutely cut open. Uh-oh. I went out and checked it out. It sounded like a great box. If you buy it quarterly, it is $50. If you buy it annually, it is $45. They don't have links or anything like that, but I will tell you, if you go to their website and at the very top, there's a bar. It says, send us your email. We'll send you a $10 off code. So I will link, completely unrelated to me, I will link the code down below. It will take you over to their page just to make it a little easier. But when you get there, sign up on their email thing and you'll get $10 off your first box if after you see this, it's something you have an interest in. When we open it up, looks good on the inside. That is what we have. So let's dig into this because I have no idea what we're gonna have in here. Absolutely none. I looked at some of the past boxes and it looked kind of cute. It says that it's associated with AARP. It's not, honestly, I couldn't work out how. It's called The Girlfriend from AARP, but I couldn't really find anything that said how they were associated. Let me tell you that I could find that it is free shipping. It is available only in the US, so I am sorry to my Canadian and UK friends. The Relax and Radiate crate is brought to you by The Girlfriend, the award-winning weekly newsletter and online community for 40-something women. I wonder if that means I can't have it. I'm not 40-something anymore. Our mission is to create an engaging and supportive place for women to convene, confab, and commiserate about the ways life is affecting us all right now, while providing enriching content with the very best in sex, health, money, relationships, fashion, beauty, self-care, and more. And as of when I am taping this, if you sign up right now, you will get this spring box, and then the summer box will ship in July. Now be sure that it's the same when you go over to do it if this is the exact box that you're looking for. You will have 7 to 12 hand-picked items by the Girlfriend team, averaging $200 or more in retail. Each box also includes a copy of the all-new Girlfriend mini magazine produced exclusively for the Relax and Radiate crate customer. So they have an online community. You can go over and check it out, but this is just a little magazine. The first page has the words. In theory, it says, here's what's inside, so we won't read that. 3 things to do now to have a more vibrant life, how to decorate with books. And then there are 6 must-read books for spring. That's kind of interesting. Beginner tips for starting a garden, easy recipes for a spring picnic. Let's just dig into it and see what it's all about because it is new and I have no idea. Right on top, we could easily see we have a book. This is Deep Into the Dark by PJ Tracy. And that is what it looks like. I mean, this is just a full-size $26.99 book, although you can get it for less on Amazon. Sam Easton, a true survivor, is back from Afghanistan trying to rebuild a life in his hometown of LA. Separated from his wife, bartending and therapy sessions are what occupy his days and nights. When friend and colleague Melody, I'm already worried about Melody, he has a wife we know, is beaten up by her boyfriend, she turns to Sam for help. When the boyfriend turns up dead the next day, a hard case like Sam is the perfect suspect. So it's a murder mystery. So I'm giving this to my mom. I'm telling you that right now. My mom loves a murder mystery. And these are good-sized words, I guess, because it's AARP. I wonder if it's large print. I mean, that's kind of insulting and yet kind of helpful. It doesn't say large print anywhere. Nope. Well, anyway, we have a book. Books are always good. Next out, we have Grow Your Own Herb Kit. So we have a puck that is an herb puck. It's from Mountain Valley Seed Company, and I hope you guys will forgive me for not taking it out, but there is all kinds of dirt falling off of it, and we don't want that here. And its contents are herb seed packets of basil, dill, and parsley, coconut core soil puck, and an instruction card. I might do this in one of those Norlii. I put basil and thyme in my planters that I got from my Norlii box, and my basil did not make it. So I might plant this and that. I wonder how big it gets. Well, once we get in and we have the instructions, we'll check that out. Next out, okay, Maybe not so much with, oh, it's for them. Maybe not so much with my Norlii planters because they have given us a planter. Just for the record, this is what the front of the box looks like that I really couldn't show you because they had my address plastered right there. But this is what the front of the box looks like. And it says ceramic planter pot built by Culturefly. And it's just going to be, I imagine, a pot. You could do whatever you want with it, but very handy considering we just got herbs to grow. You know, and I'm just throwing this box away because I have to tell you, and I don't know that if this has ever come up, I'm just going to do it and be done with it. Not a fan of styrofoam, the way it feels, or the sound it makes. But we have this nice planter, and it is just a nice cream colored planter. It has, I think, yes, a plug on the bottom. So you could, in theory, pull the plug and you would have drainage. And it says right on the bottom, The Girlfriend by AARP. All right, so now we have something to put our puck in. Well, that's a pretty cool idea. Next out, we have, these go together, I would imagine, because they're both from Skin. Skin X The Girlfriend from AARP. Non-negotiables, green tea and mint cleanser. Clarifying multi-action gel wash. Directions: use AM on damp skin. Using circular motions, massage into face and neck for 1 minute, rinse with water. And it has salicylic acid in it. So yeah, I'm not going to open this because I want to be able to pass it along because that is far too strong for my dry, sensitive skin. Clinically proven, lab-fresh formulation, small batched from our FDA-registered on-site OTC lab and delivered direct to your door. We believe in clean, cruelty-free, mindful approach to beauty that prioritizes natural ingredients without impacting performance. Next out. Somebody in this house is going to love that, and I suspect it's not going to be me. I'll probably be doing it to my husband. I love how they have just branded everything. It's just their own brand, and it says back massager. So you just on somebody's back. I mean, I have to tell you, we have reached the age where we do want stuff pushed on and massaged because it hurts sometimes. It does indeed. Okay, next out. This is really fun stuff. Let me know below. Do you think that it's for people in their 40s or 50s? I haven't opened anything yet that I wouldn't have used in my 30s. Next we have this. And I'm not sure what this is yet, so let's check it out. The paperwork says it's GNS Healthy Hands Trio. It is a citrus hand wash, a citrus hand lotion, and an instant sanitizer. Okay, so we have the wash, the lotion, and actually the biggest of the three is the sanitizer. This will absolutely get used in my house, especially the sanitizer. We are out back in the world, as is everyone, doing so much that I am going through a lot of sanitizer. It smells good, mostly just alcohol-y, which, to be frank, is generally what I like them to smell like because I have had several really pretty ones, and periodically I'll be like, here, to my husband, and he's like, why do I smell like rose now? I don't know. Let's see what the hand lotion smells like. We care more about that. I can't tell. Does it have a scent? It has very, very little scent. Just kind of clean, maybe slightly citrusy. Just very little scent. I wouldn't even, I mean, you couldn't call it unscented, but it's as close as you could get to unscented. Next out, I do not know. Do you know? You do, because it says plant watering globes. And again, they have gotten everything branded to them. This is by that same Culturefly brand, which was our, plant watering globes. So you fill it with water and then you can, oh, that might be fun in this with the herbs in it. All right, we got a thing going now. So our theme, did we have a theme? Nope. So just spring. They're just sticking with our theme is spring. That is what it looks like. We have 2 of these. They are plastic, but if you took this and planted it with your herbs and then, wow, that's kind of big for this one. I might have to find a bigger planter. It has a slightly plastic smell. I would suggest taking it out and letting it air out before you plan to use it, but I kind of like that. We have 2 of those. Next out, I have a soy wax candle, spring cherry scent. All right, and again, they've gone to the trouble to branding the box. That has to be what takes up a lot of their time getting these boxes ready. And this was running behind, but they probably weekly. I think it was supposed to ship at the beginning of May. And then weekly, I would get emails from them saying, you know, we're running a little behind. This is what we're thinking, and we'll let you know. And each week we would get an update. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at the pretty pink, kind of ombres from a white down to a dark pink. Oh, it smells good. It smells really nice. Did it have a scent? Oh yeah, spring cherry. It doesn't smell like cherries, so I would say maybe like Sakura, like cherry blossom. Yeah, that's what I would say. It's very pretty though. I like that a lot. Still going. This is heavy. I do not know what this is. It is branded. I'll tell you what is this? This is what it looks like. And on the back it says packable picnic blanket. Well, it's like a coated type canvas. I wonder if this is the top or the bottom. It's the top. So when you take it out, this is what it looks like. On the bottom side, it will just be, can you guys see? Yeah, it's just plastic. So that's what the inside looks like, and pretty much what the outside feels like too. It might be a coated canvas. It might just be some kind of polyester fabric. Does it tell us? Let's see what it says. It does not. It is a packable picnic blanket built by Culturefly. So I wonder if Culturefly is like Relax and Radiate. You know, sometimes boxes do branding for that. Okay. Next we have, I don't know what this is, but it totally, I would say this is what the outside of the box was based on, because it totally matches everything else that we've had for the branding for this box. Ooh, it's soft. All right, what do we have? Napkins, perhaps? They're big. They're probably, what is that, 16 by 16, maybe 20 by 20? Very, very pretty. Big enough to be used in kind of a polyester material. So I don't know that I would use them for napkins, but I have to tell you, one of these kind of triangle-wise over a, like the center of a kitchen table, just in some way decorating. How many do we have? Oh my gosh, we do have 4 though. So I would say they are definitely napkins. Here, let's look at that book. I wouldn't read ahead. A set of colorful napkins, ideal for picnic, everyday use, or special occasion. So yes, I would say these are our napkins, and they are very, very summery and pretty. I like that a lot. I am running out of space, but I think this is our last item. Now that I have it empty and it's light, let me show you the inside. It says Relax and Radiate Crate. Welcome to the club. Unlock all your Relax and Radiate Crate has to offer and connect with the other radiant women in our online community. And on Facebook, they are thegirlfriend.com/RR Club. So I imagine that's the Relax and Radiate. This one says that it is a collapsible picnic tote. Oh my goodness, guys. And it is the same floral that we have seen on everything else. Okay, I don't know how you feel about this box, but you have to give them 2 thumbs up for their branding and the way they've made everything match. I mean, that is just a big tote bag. I've run myself out of space here. The inside, it needs to sit open for a day or 2. The inside is that foil stuff to help you keep everything hot and or cold. We'll assume cold this time of year. It has a very unusual smell I'm not a fan of. I would assume that if you like put this out in your garage and left it open for a little bit, it would do away with that scent, but look how big it is. I mean, this is my hand here. This is big. I like that a lot. And it matches, okay, let's talk about this. And that matches back to, took a second to fold them, that matches back to these 4 napkins. We have the picnic blanket that goes with them really well. We have the ceramic planter and then the Mountain Valley herbs to make in it. And then we have the 2 plant watering globes to stick in whatever plant you would like to help them be watered. This gorgeous pink candle. If you had a theme going, you could technically put this on the edge of your picnic blanket if you don't have pups or little ones. Smells very nice. We received the Skin Green Tea and Mint Cleanser, the little hand set of hand wash, hand lotion, sanitizer, the back massager. All I see in this is work in my future. And the Deep Into the Dark PJ Tracy book that you could be sitting on your picnic thing, knowing you were growing herbs at home with your little candle lit, your little thing tucked full of groceries. I don't know. A picnic. It would have been better if I had said your little thing tucked full of a picnic. Okay, that is our first Relax and Radiate crate. It will auto renew, so let me know what you guys think below. The summer box ships in July. I'm not sure how soon you have to quit it if you want to quit it before that. It was $50, but if you sign up, when you go to their site, you sign up to be on their email list, they will give you $10 off your first box, which would make this $40. If you like everything that's in it, I'm sure it is well worthwhile. If you purchase books, I mean, okay, this is $26.99. You could probably get it on Amazon for $16.99. Is that true? So this is 16 of your $40 and or $50, depending on if this is your first. I think that it's probably worthwhile. I love that almost everything they sent was themed and made to match. So your napkins match back to your cooler, which kind of matches to your picnic thing. And you've got the herbs, so you got a pot to put them in. So they got the water globes. I love the way they did it, I guess. I guess maybe this is happening when you're on your picnic, because that wouldn't be weird at all if you were on a picnic and you saw the person next to you. Let me know what you think, guys. I appreciate whoever pointed this out to me. I do not remember who it was because it has been a few months, but thank you so much for always keeping me up to date when you see new boxes. I am happy to open them so you can see what's out there, and I hope I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I do have more videos coming out, and go have a picnic. Bye, guys.